Hello! Today we're gonna check how waterproof our new Sunon fans. Right, we couldn't get pulled in here. Today we're gonna check how waterproof our new Sunon fans using this aquarium. But with all seriousness, is it really that impressive for something to be IP68 nowadays? I mean, come on. Even my phone can survive a little bath. So what makes Sunon fans so special? Stay with me. Previously, I showed you examples of Sunon innovations like the Mighty Mini series, the world's smallest fans and blowers, as well as MagLev technology. This time, we have fans for the most demanding environments. And although we've seen previously fans that are dust and splash proof or can work while being partially or even fully submerged underwater, Mighty Mini for example, that was achieved by parylene coating, amazing technology that assures moisture and chemical resistance with minimal added weight. But Sunon wanted to go further to achieve the maximum protection. And they did it with GF series. Sunon GF series offers unmatched performance with outstanding reliability. By sealing the motor inside an impenetrable housing, it's guaranteed that it will survive whatever you throw at it. How do I know that? First, the IP68 rating. This two-digit code tells us that it is tested for level of protection and sealing effectiveness against dust and liquids. You might recognize this rating from your personal electronics. The more important is GR487 rating, given by the salt fog test, one of the most widespread and long-established corrosion tests. By applying the spray of salt on an examined subject, the simulated conditions are created to stimulate appearance of corrosion. And of course, Sunon's GF series passed this test. And where do you need that level of protection from salt? On the sea, of course! It makes GF series perfect choice for marine industry. But not only. It's also great for 5G base stations, HVAC, LED lighting, as well as automotive industry, including EV vehicles and charging stations. What about the performance? Well, it's Sunon, so you don't have to worry about it. You can get, for example, this 80 cm one, 60 cubic feet per meter of airflow, 0.41 inch of water of static pressure at 4800 RPM. Thanks to special aerodynamic design, you get high efficiency with low power consumption. All GR487 rated fans are available with ball bearings and take 12 or 24 volts. For a full choice of Sunon products, visit tme.eu, where you can find all the blowers and fans for your needs. And if you want to learn more about Sunon, check our previous video. Subscribe, like, subscribe.